So when you don't have bread, you make bread. And I have sourdough, so I'm making sourdough, my favorite recipe, sourdough French bread. I'm going to start with 1 1/2 cup hot water. I'm adding 1 package of yeast, dry yeast. This is active dry yeast. I'm going to mix that. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of my sourdough starter. Now I'm going to get the flour prepared. I'm going to set this aside. I have 1 cup of flour, and I'm adding to that 1/2 teaspoon of soda, baking soda. And the reason I do it separately is because if you add the soda into the bowl without mixing it into the flour, you're going to get brown streaks in your bread. So we're going to mix up this soda in this 1 cup of flour really good. Make sure it's very well blended in there. Now I'm going to set that aside. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar to this. And 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm going to mix that up. Now I'm going to add 4 cups of flour to that. And I'm just kind of stirring it in between here. Three, 4. I'm going to see if this will work here. Okay. I should have used the paddle, but that's okay. We're going to need it right now. We just kind of wanted to get that mixed. And it is gooey. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to put the kneading paddle on here. And I am going to add this cup of the soda and flour mix. And we're going to let this knead for, oh, about 5 minutes. All right. Okay, that I let that knead for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to let this raise. I'm going to cover it and let it rise. I'm going to put a towel over it. Okay, this is doubled. And now you can split this in two and make two like smaller French bread loaves, but I like the big loaf, so that's what I'm going to do. I got a greased pan here. I'm just going to put this here, and it'll be a big loaf. So and I kind of like the squared edges too, you know. So now I'm going to cover this and let this rise. And then we'll go on to the next step. Okay, I have the oven on 400 and I put a cake pan with water in it, warm hot water, in the bottom of the oven, in the bottom rack. Now this is doubled. Look at that. That's what I like. And like I said, you can split it and have, I do have French bread loaf pans, but I didn't want to use them. I like this big thick bread. So now we're going to brush it with water. And we're just going to We're just going to do that. And we're going to put it in the oven for about 45 minutes. It's funny looking, but it's going to taste wonderful. I'm going to put it onto the rack here to cool down before I cut into it. Hear that? This makes really good bread, and like sliced in like cheesy garlic, you know, in the broiler. Oh, yummy. All right, we'll cut into it in a little bit. I just wanted to show you, I just cut a slice in. That water gives it a good crispy crust, and the water in the oven. And I can cut it in half, and I can also make air fryer grilled cheese. Wonderful. There you go.